Hey guys, it's Jemecia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Here we discuss all things NP, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's get it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to just kind of talk to you guys about my channel and the direction that I think I want to take my channel. You guys have been so awesome and so bomb coming here to my channel and checking out everything. I think I want to add a little bit more of my lifestyle involved. I think that I want to talk about my natural hair journey, some of the stuff that I do with my hair. A lot of people ask me about that. They also ask me about my my personal style and stuff like that. I don't know how much I'm going to do of it, but I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about doing the nurse practitioner stuff still, of course, the health tips for everyday people at home, and adding a little bit more of my lifestyle. I have been kind of putting a little bit of that in, but I did want to let you guys know that I'm seriously thinking about putting more of my lifestyle in, as far as my natural hair and all that good stuff, and showing you guys what I do with my hair and you know, stuff like that. You know, I think I want to do that. Also, maybe a couple fashion things. I don't know. I don't want to stray too far away from my normal platform, but I did want to talk to you guys about it and see what you guys think about it. Not that I don't know if that will change, really, what I decide. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah, so like I said, I do want to do that, kind of pivot a little bit. There's a couple projects I'm working on that I want to intertwine. I don't see myself starting another channel, so, you know, it's all going to be right here. Who has time for that? I don't. Anyway, I think that's it for this video. Yeah. So, yeah. Tell me what you think. Leave me some comments in the comment section. And, yeah, I want to hear from you about my channel. Yeah. So I've had several people ask me to do some things with my style and my hair and all that good stuff. Not you know, not when I do something like this. This is just, you know, but when I do my actual natural hair, because I do believe that health is from head to toe. So I will talk about how I take care of my natural hair, what vitamins that I use to do that. I am going to do, probably, I might even do that later on today, a video about my immunity, how I keep my immunity high, stuff like that. You know, I don't know if you guys want to necessarily hear about it, but I want to tell you about it. So there. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you again for stopping by. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.